Avellino. Thank you so much for stopping by. If you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much. You're so dear to me. If you're just coming across for the first time, please hit the red button that says subscribe so that we can follow along. And remember to share these videos. We do a lot of awesome things on this channel. So I am going to dive right now to tell you something. The most effective way to give you flat stomach. Do you know that feces, that's poop, that is clogged in your colon, can make you gain extra 4 to 10 pounds? Yes. And sometimes when you go to the bathroom, you really think that you have really relieved yourself, but there's some pieces and patches stuck in your colon. So I will be making you very fast and effective smoothies. A smoothie is a full meal that will work in your stomach, in your colon, both small and the large intestine, and help intensify to bring out all those garbage, trash that are stuck behind the colon wall. So we'll be using some fruits, some vegetables, and some seeds. So the first thing that we're going to be talking about is spinach. So the first thing we'll be using is spinach. Here I have frozen spinach. If you don't have frozen spinach, there's nothing wrong with using fresh spinach. The fresher, the better. So I have about 1 cup of frozen spinach here. Spinach contains a lot of fiber and magnesium, and it will help to move water into your intestine. So I have a blender here. I'm going to be putting 1 cup of spinach in here. The next thing on the list is aloe vera. After you have put the spinach in the blender, the next thing you need is aloe vera. Aloe vera is awesome. It contains a lot of natural laxative and also decrease your stomach bloatness. So you want to take out the skin of the aloe vera and add the gel into the blender. So this is the gel. So I'm going to be adding the gel into the blender. The next thing here is watermelon. We all know that watermelon is great for detox, and 90% of watermelon is water. So we will be putting some watermelon into the blender. Of course, their apple. It says that 1 apple a day saves you from going to the doctor. It is very imperative that remember to add the skin of the apple. As a matter of fact, the green apple is considered to be the best because the skin of the apple is loaded with a lot of fiber. It has a very high content of fiber, which is Nigeria, we call it pawpaw. So I have some papaya here that is already skinned. I have taken out the skin of the papaya. Papaya contains a lot of papain, which contains a lot of insoluble fiber. So I will add the papaya in here. And papaya also help to give you that flawless skin and help your skin to glow. So I have papaya added in. And the next thing that I have here is flaxseed. Flaxseed is amazing. It contains a lot of dietary fiber and helps to move the bowel in your gut. So I have 1 tablespoon of flaxseed. And the next grain we'll be adding is chia seed. Chia seed is amazing. It's better when you soak it overnight. So I took 1 tablespoon of chia seed and I soaked it in regular water for overnight. What it does is that it opens up the chia and makes it a little bit bigger, and this will help to moisten your stool and make it easier to pass. Let me show you what it looks like before I soaked it into the water. So this is what the chia seeds looks like. They are smaller, but when you soak them in the water, they expand. So I am going to pour it into this blender and I will get this to blend. Stay here and don't go anywhere. We're going to blend. So after blending the smoothie, I have my colon cleanse smoothies here. So all you need to do is drink this on empty stomach to help to cleanse out your colon and bring out anything that is trapped behind your colon walls and make you have a better bowel movement. Thank you guys for your time. I'll be listing the ingredients in the description box just in case you don't have chia seed, because I'm not sure that people in Nigeria have chia seed, but there are other things that you can use. Thank you so much for your time, and don't forget to click on the red subscription box and also click on the red button so that all your friends and family will enjoy the benefits that you have been enjoying by yourself. Don't be greedy and don't be selfish. Go ahead and start consuming your colon cleanse smoothies. Bye. Over. See you in my next video. Love you guys. Bye.